Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily log in or sign in to your Walmart Workday account. So first, you may want to head over to your search bar and type in Walmart IDP sign in, then just press enter. And from the search results, you should be able to see a link that looks like this with the Walmart logo. So all you have to do is click on this link, and this should redirect you to the sign in page where you can sign into your Workday account. From here, all you have to do is log in using your login credentials, starting with your user ID, country or region, and location. Then proceed with signing into your account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.